you really call a £200,000 V8 like the Ferrari GTC4 Lusso T an everyday, entry-level car? Whatever, we're going to do it anyway. The GTC4 Lusso is Ferrari's most usable car, after all. It has 4 seats, provenance-style bodywork with a reasonable boot beneath it. It even has split-fold rear seats. The original variant had 4-wheel drive and a V12 engine, but Ferrari has since introduced this turbocharged 3.9-litre V8 model at the bottom of the range. It's rear drive only, but still has in excess of 600 bhp and a price you can take to well in excess of £250,000 with some deftly judged options.